had cloudy and misty conditions throughout most of the day, and really much hasn't changed. We do have an area of rain moving into Webster into Choctaw County and some light mist surrounding that. Now, most of that mist has pretty much moved out of the Mississippi State area, and currently in our area we are seeing temperatures in the mid-60s, and our temperatures really haven't been able to heat up that much thanks to the clouds and misty conditions across the entire region. Now, in the eastern portion of the state, we do see mid to upper 60s, but wow, look at the difference as you go west. 78 degrees in Greenville and 81 in Tunica. So they are much hotter because they were clear most of the day, which allowed them to warm up quite nicely throughout most of the day. And dew points across the board are pretty similar, pretty much in the lower 60s, and that really does indicate how much moisture is in the air. And we can thank all that moisture to a low pressure system over the Florida Panhandle, and that's really been filtering in a lot of moisture into Georgia and parts of Tennessee as well, and even cloud cover into our region. And we are also watching a system over to the west. We are watching a cold front draped over Arkansas into parts of Texas. Now, that frontal boundary has been giving Texas some much needed rain, so I'm sure they are really thankful for that rain. And we could see some rain into our forecast on Wednesday night as that frontal boundary starts to move into our area. Now, ahead of that boundary, we'll see some rain and possibly a rumble or thunder or two. And in the wake of that boundary, we'll see some sunshine and a high pressure system, which will give us just nice fall-like conditions. So more conditions that we saw last week. So just a pleasant week ahead. And tonight we'll see a temperature of 55 degrees, pretty pleasant with scattered clouds and some isolated showers possible. So perfect conditions. If any of you are planning on going to that B.B. King concert tonight and tomorrow, we'll heat up to 79 degrees, and clouds will start to increase and rain later on in the night as that frontal boundary starts to move through as well. Now, after that boundary moves through, you see we do have some rain Wednesday night into Thursday, but we really don't see a big change in the temperatures, but we will notice a big change in the humidity values out there. So temperatures will pretty much hover around the same values throughout the rest of the week, and Saturday and Sunday will start to get back up into the 80s. So after that boundary moves through, we have a great week in store. I'm meteorologist Brittany Bell. Thanks for sticking in for your Campus Connect forecast.